Hi, this is Ms. Torres, and today we are going to do a fun activity with modeling shapes. So you will need some supplies for this activity. This is an optional activity if you would like to do this for fun at home. So you will be needing two things. The first thing is in green, right? Either marshmallows, dots candy, or gumdrops, and then straws or toothpicks, whatever you have at home or can get at the store for this activity. Okay, so we're going to be modeling a 3D shape. Okay, so once you have these supplies, go ahead and have them out at your table, wherever you're working on, so that we can do this together using the pictures shown. So the first thing we're going to do is use what you have, your candy or your marshmallows, to model 4 spheres as shown. So if you're having the candy, they're already in those shapes. And I want you to place your shapes like these gumdrops right here. Okay, we're on number 1. So you're going to place your candies or marshmallows in that shape. Feel free to pause this video if you need time to build it, if I'm going too fast. Okay, now we are on number 2. So using your straws or toothpicks or whatever you have, you are going to place them into the spheres as shown. Okay, so whether you have your marshmallows, your candy, you're going to stick the straws or toothpicks into the pieces, into the spheres, in this kind of shape. Now, does anyone know what kind of shape we are making here? What does that look like to you? We're making a square, right? With using our candy and our toothpicks, we are creating a square. So you should have a square shown just like right here. All right, now we're moving on to our next step. Okay, you are going to, for number 3 here, you're going to use your supplies to model another shape. So the same thing, right, that you had the first time, you're doing it again. So you should have 1 square and then 2 squares. Okay, so go ahead and work on making another one. When you're done making your 2 squares, you're going to use those 2-dimensional squares to make a 3-dimensional shape. Okay, so you are going to stand a straw into each corner of one of the shapes. Okay, carefully lift the other shape and place it onto the straws as shown. Okay, so once you have your 2 squares at the top, you're moving on to this step. And you're going to use your straws to build this shape. Now, I wonder if anyone can tell me what shape we have. Right, at the top, we built 2 squares, and our 2 squares have now been turned into, what shape is that? This is one of our 3-dimensional shapes, the cube. And now you have your cube. Great job, everyone. Go ahead and, if you were able to do this activity, send a picture over email or text to your teacher, whether it's Ms. Nelson, Mr. Lavelle, or me, Ms. Torres, showing us your awesome cube. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this activity. Feel free to use any leftover supplies building other 3D shapes as well.